my channel. Hope you're having a great week and enjoying life. If you're new here, my name is Carlie. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Welcome. So as you can see, today I'm in my kitchen again. Today is the long-awaited return of Cooking with Carlie. Yay! So today we're going to be making a lasagna, right? I've got my ingredients on my notepad and I wrote with my little fluffy pen. Woo! I've made this lasagna twice already, but I just thought let me do it off camera first in case I messed it up loads. You'll be needing onions, mince or like corn mince if you're vegetarian. I'm making mine with corn mince. And you'll need lasagna sheets. They can either be fresh or you can cook them, whatever your desire holds. And then you'll need some sauce to put in the mince. And you'll need some bechamel sauce, which is that white sauce that goes in between the layers. And you'll need some parmesan to go on top of the lasagna. And this recipe will be served with garlic bread. Step 1, cut up onions. Hello everyone, I've got my onions here. I'm going to cut them up until I've got no seeing power in my eyes left, because they burn my eyes off. But it's okay, because it's all for the quality of the food, innit? Right. So I've got some little red onions here. They're about this big, so I'm probably going to... I've only got 4 left, so I'm probably just going to use all 4. Why not? So I'm going to cut up... I'm going to open the onions and then cut them up. Tip, yeah? If you want to get all these bits together and easy in the bin, just put it on kitchen towel, cut it open and bang. You know, it's all in one place, so you don't have to worry about everything going everywhere. So yeah, I'm going to cut these up and I'll see you once I've done. So that's all 4 onions, not cut up, but the skin's taken off. So now I'm going to dispose of this, and then I'll get on to cutting. As you can see, I can't even open my eyes. Down the mid of the onions, yeah. And then when I get to this bit, I'm just gonna like chop them all up into little bits, really. So everyone, I successfully cut the onions. I decided to only use 2 in the end, because I think that this is enough. So I just wrapped the other 2 up. I had to take a break in between because I literally couldn't even open my eyeballs. So I literally couldn't even open them. What I'm going to do, next is going to fry the onions off. So I'm going to get my pan and I'm going to show you to the frying station. So everyone, I'm at my hob and I'm using the favourite one. So now I'm going to put a bit of oil in the pan. This is just Tesco's olive oil. Just a little bit. Right, not too much. So we're going to turn it on. Now we're going to add the onions, that I put in this bowl. Just going to put them all in. Right. So that's all the onions in. Just give them a good stir. Getting all nice and fried. Come on. Come on, Nan.
Can you just put it in for 1 minute?
Yeah, you can go. Come on. This way. This is my Nan, everyone. Look at the camera.
Hello, hello.
She's just putting her tea in the microwave. So I'm gonna let them onions fry, and then once they're done, I'll show you. Yeah. So everyone, I finished frying off my onions. But I'm just going to put them into the bowl now and just let them sit on the side. There we go. Onions all done. So everyone, now I've done the onions, I'm now going to do my mince. So the mince I'm going to use is the corn mince. And I use 2 bags of this. So I'm just going to open them and put them in there into the pan and cook it off until it's brown. Drizzle a bit of olive oil onto top just to make it not stick. So yeah, I'm just going to cook that. So I'll see you once this is cooked. So everyone, the mince is done like that, yeah, and now I'm going to add the red lasagna sauce. This is the Tesco's version. Give it a little shake. Woo! Now I'm going to open it. Okay, I can't open it. Dad!
What?
Dad!
What?
Can you open this tin for me, please?
Yeah. What now?
Yeah? My dad's opening for me. Thanks! Open. No. I'm going to use the whole one. Okay?
No.
We're using a second jar of red lasagna sauce.
Which
Not the whole one.
Which I've got to open. No,
Yeah.
use half of it.
Yeah, right.
I'm going to use the other half in the sauce for Monday.
That should be about right. So add as much sauce as you want, everyone. We're adding more just because my mum likes very saucy lasagna. She don't like it dry, so we're always adding a little bit extra. I don't like using the other word that my dad likes to use, so I just use juicy instead.
Moist.
Ugh, that's the word I was talking about, everyone. Hate it. Horrible, isn't it? Perfect. So everyone, this is what your thing should look like. Like nice and juicy. So now I'm going to add the onions that I prepared earlier.
What, you blue Peter?
I felt like it just then. Right, so now I'm just going to stir the onions in. I'm glad I went with 2 and not 4, everyone. Okay, so now everyone, we're at the assembling stage. So I've got my lasagna dish here. And my mince is here. I've got my lasagna sheets, which are fresh lasagna sheets from Tesco. You could make your own ones if you like, but no thank you for that. And then I've got 2 jars of Tesco's white lasagna sauce. My dad wants to open them. He's been dying to open these for ages because he knows I can't open it. Right, then I've got my Parmigiano from Tesco, and that goes on the top. So right, everyone. So first step, yeah, is going to be adding a layer of mince. Let me move it closer because I don't want to be spilling it. Right. So adding a layer of mince just on the bottom. It don't have to be perfect. Just an equal layer will do. And then I'll show you the next step. So this is what the first layer should look like, everyone. And then the second layer will be the lasagna sheets. So let's try. Okay. Oh my God! It's never opened like that before, has it?
No, you've never done that.
What have I done?
We've always slit it with a knife. That's the easiest. It's come off. Go on.
Oh my God! Sorry, everyone. I'm in shock because the first few tries we've tried, it's never worked like that. So this is what the lasagna sheets look like. You get 10 in a pack. Right, one like that, yeah. So one there, and then I'm going to have to cut one to fill the outer edges. Be careful because they curl. The lasagna sheets curl. So be careful, everyone. I'm not very handy with a knife, so I've cut my finger twice this week. Don't need a bit for that side, do I? No, because I can just go like that. Right. So everyone, this is what your first layer of lasagna sheet should look like. And then we need to add the bechamel sauce with a spoon and then like smear it back. So I'm just gonna like pour it on. I'm just gonna pour it on liberally, like just pour it on. Just because we like a lot of flavour. So everyone, this is what it should look like now with the bechamel sauce on. Now we're gonna repeat the first two steps. No, we're gonna repeat all them steps again, yeah? So we're gonna repeat the steps again. So we're gonna do mince, sheets, bechamel, and then I'll tell you what we do after that. So I've completed the layers of the lasagna. It looks like this. It's really heavy. Okay. So what you need to do, yeah, when you've done what I've told you, where you do the mince, the lasagna sheets, and then the bechamel sauce, you do 3 layers of the lasagna sheets, right? When you put the last lasagna sheets down, you fill the top with bechamel sauce, and then you pour the Parmigiano.
Sprinkle.
Oh, sprinkle, sorry, not pour. Parmigiano on top of the bechamel sauce. Give it that nice, oh, it's going everywhere. Oh, okay.
Put a little bit of
Also,
mozzie on.
we add a bit of mozzarella to the top. Just add a bit of mozzarella. This is the Tesco mozzarella cheese mix. Yes? I understand this meal is very carb heavy, but I mean, it's a lasagna. You ain't going to make it half-heartedly, are you? So everyone, the top should look like this. Make sure though, that the lasagna sheets are poked in.
Tucked in.
Oh, tucked in.
Not poked in.
Alright. So what I'm going to do now is I've preheated the oven to gas mark 6. And I'm going to put this in the oven 10 minutes and check it, and then put it in for another 5 to 10 minutes after that. You just want the top, you don't want it to be brown, you want it to just kind of be like lightly melted and all that kind of stuff. Putting in it, oh, why did I do that? I've just smushed my finger on the top, Dad. Anyway, whatever. But yeah, I will show you what ours looks like once it's completed, okay everyone? Hi everyone, so I have cooked the lasagna. Looks like this, everyone. Oh, it's so heavy. And we've got some garlic bread in the oven, and we have some salad as well to go with it. So that's what it should look like on the top. So, oh, that's the garlic bread. So yeah, that's what it should look like on the top. Thank you very much for watching my video today. I really hope you enjoyed going along with me, cooking a meal like I did in the other Cooking with Carlie's. And please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, comment down below any recommendations, and share the video with your family and friends. Check my Instagram out and turn on the notification bell. Alright guys, see you in my next video.